Murata Watch Battery with high reliability and technical performance. 1977, silver oxide batteries production started. 2004, the world's first development success for mercury-free silver oxide battery. 2009, mercury-free alkaline manganese button batteries development. 2017, Murata achieved 10 billion cumulative pieces production with a world market share of 45%. Murata Watch Battery features 40-plus years of manufacturing expertise and leveraging Murata's innovative technologies. Murata achieved superior anti-leakage performance thanks to our unique patented J-shaped gasket sealing technology for SR and LR batteries.
村田製作所の SR 電池は40年以上の技術開発と製造経験、徹底した品質管理で性能・信頼性に優れています。時計メーカー様からも高い評価をいただき、村田製電池を使用していただいています。
We offer a wide range of product lineup in various packaging for customers around the world. Murata Manufacturing is a worldwide leader of electronic components and solutions. Murata continues to focus on our R&D efforts towards developing battery solutions with high quality, reliability, and innovative technologies.